What is up everybody, you're watching Electronics Resource, and this is how you can change the boot animations of your Android device easily. So let's get right on to it. So before you begin, make sure your Android device is rooted. Non-rooted users unfortunately can't do it. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and you need to download an app known as ROM Toolbox Lite. It's available for free and the must-have app for every root user. Just simply download it and wait for it to install. After you have installed it, just open the app. You'll notice that your super user application will ask you whether you want to allow the root access or not. Just simply click on allow and proceed. In the app itself, swipe down 2 columns and get to the interface section of the app. Now here you will notice a text box showing boot animation. Click on the text box and wait for it to load. The boot animations may take up some time in loading depending upon your internet connection speed. Now you will notice that as soon as you click on that, the app retrieves a list of boot animations from the server and displays some really fancy dope boot animations that you can install on a device. Apart from that, you can also install custom boot animations that you have downloaded. Just hover around till you find your perfect boot animations. Just simply click on it, download it, install it, and that's it. It cannot get easy than that. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys really liked it, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. That's me signing out, and I'll catch you in the next one.